We are back at Ishigaki Jima, a southern island of Okinawa Prefecture. It's about an hour flight southwest of Okinawa, towards Taiwan actually. It's a subtropical island, quite mountainous and full of nature. And we're back at a 5-room boutique hotel called Jusandi, spelled Jusandi, but the J is pronounced as Y, which is commonplace outside of the English world. So Jusandi is just 5 individual villas. Last time we stayed here, we stayed at a villa named Mani, and which was one of the 4 that are 1-bedroom villas. This time we have a 2-bedroom. It's called Yarabu. And we stayed 4 nights the first time, so we know this place well. And so let's go and take a look. Yarabu is the one and only 2-bedroom. So it's a top category room and has 2-bedroom, 100 square meters. Let's first let's head this way first, and we'll show you all the main stuff momentarily. So it's 2-bedroom. This is one of the bedrooms. You can see it's very white, kind of Santorini style in some ways. So this is one of the bedrooms. So Ishigaki, not like Miyako-jima or some of the other Okinawan islands, is more about the scenery, the jungle nature. Sort of a cross between Okinawa and Miyako-jima and Iriomote, which is the uber nature island, housing the endangered Iriomote cat. And also has the most incredible mangroves. So if you want to do mangrove kayaking, there are places that you can check out mangrove forests in Okinawa, but Iriomote is the place for that. So it's about an hour, 45-minute jet foil from Ishigaki. There's no direct flight to Iriomote, although Ishigaki does have direct flights from Tokyo as well as from Osaka. So this is the there's 2 bathrooms along with 2 bedrooms. Hello. Okay, that's 1 toilet. When I say bathroom, I meant toilet. Dual sink. Each room is laid out a little bit differently depending on the landscape in which it rests. This is a tub, you fill it yourself. There's no onsen here, in case you're wondering. I don't believe Okinawa is known for that, if at all. Here is the shower. And so this does have a pool. I believe at the time that we stayed here last time, there were a couple of the rooms did not have a pool, but I think that all of them now do, including obviously this 2-bedroom suite. So let's go over here in the main living area. So you have a desk, you have a mini bar. I won't go into excruciating detail of all the little things, just to give you a sense of how this overall room, as well as later the resort, looks like. So there is a path, let me explain, that goes to the ocean. I wouldn't call it beach, although I guess there's sand. It's rough waters around here, especially in the winter because you get the northern winds coming down. So anyways, this is the main living area. And then over here is another bedroom. And before that, here's the toilet. There are closets, of course. You can also close this here and close it all the way to have a true suite style layout. Let me close that. So this is the other bedroom. I don't know which I would consider as the master bedroom. So let's take a look from over here. So let's take a look at the grounds of this suite. So Jusandi serves fusion Italian cuisine, primarily using local Okinawan produce and seafood and other ingredients. And so the chef, Mr. Hirose Takumi, is to us big time. He is big time, and that's why we're back. The one thing to note is that supposedly he's close to retiring within a matter of months. So if you want to taste his cuisine, which is wonderful, then you better get there here soon. We just changed our plans. We were in the main island of Okinawa when we heard about it, so we made a beeline over here. In fact, we are the only ones staying here today. So here's a view of the pool. Not a lap pool, but much bigger than a typical plunge pool. You can see you have complete and utter privacy. This is what the villa looks like from this vantage point. You have some mountains peaking in the background. So I don't know how much of a walk it is to the actual beach, but we can try to take a look. From the previous room that we were in, Mani, it wasn't too far, and then there was a sitting area above the ocean. Oh, look at that. It's coral-lined path. I'm sure they sprinkled it here just to kind of show you what the path looks like. So let's explore. This is not unlike the path that went from Mani to the ocean. So let's keep going. Feels like Jurassic. Okay. Here's this. Let me see if I can climb up here. Hold on one second. Get my footing. All the white stuff are corals. You sit here. You can see a beach down there. There's actually a cave down below called the Blue Cave, and when you go in, if the light shines in and if the water is a little more calm than it is today, supposedly it's a gorgeous blue. The water in the cave turns really nice, beautiful blue. I doubt that's the case today because it's not sunny and the waves are quite strong. Anyways, that's what we get for staying in December. That's okay. There's very few guests in December. When you think of Okinawa, it's more of a beach holiday, but unlike some other tropical resorts, winter is not quite as ideal as, say, Honolulu or Hawaii in general, or the Maldives or places like, or the South Pacific. So anyways, we have this place all to ourselves. We're going to enjoy our swan song, Mr. Hirose, the executive chef's swan song. Wish him well, and then we'll see what comes of the cuisine at Jusandi following his departure. Anyways, this is a 2-bedroom villa, pool villa at Jusandi in Ishigaki Island in Okinawa Prefecture, Japan. Hope you enjoyed.